Hi my friends, how are you? I'm coming today with a perfume and I would like to open this perfume. It's from Zara and it's Immortal Vanilla. Recently, this perfume was the latest perfume that I bought, and together with this one, I don't know if you ever heard, but it's Hypnotic Vanilla. So, have you ever heard about that one? And I had a chance to wear it one time and we can talk about it. But first of all, let's unbox this Immortal Vanilla perfume. So let's unbox it. So it's a black paper, and the size is like 30 ml, so it's really small. The price was like really, very little, the price for this perfume. So Immortal Vanilla, here we go for you. Let's put it over here. Immortal Vanilla. And the little bottle like that is actually so convenient to put it in a bag, it's really really cute actually. And the black bottle, so not much that I can feel there, but anyway, so let's have a look at this perfume. So it's really sweet. Whew. There's something a little bit reminds me of the hairspray that you could find in that one. Let me have a look at this. So it's just like a lot of vanilla, nothing major, like nothing. Let's read those notes, guys. So it's a nice perfume, not disgusting. Very simple perfume, like not something that will be outstanding, but nice. So there is vanilla, amber, coconut, so sweet, salty, caramel, balsamic, powdery. So it's more like you can feel vanilla, amber there, and coconut, and it's that sweetness that is a lot there. So it's for women, and basically all those notes there, whatever, but major notes I can see is vanilla and amber, and maybe their coconut. So this was launched in 2024. I actually haven't seen this perfume in 2024, but I have been in Zara, guys, recently, and it really, what shocked me is that there are so many Zara perfumes. Like one section was laid out with those type of with Baccarat Rouge vibe perfumes, Red Temptation, different versions of Red Temptations, which I'm not using those at all at the moment. I don't like them very much, but there are so many versions, that they have. So one section is those, and the other section is more vibrant perfumes they have, like apple juice, those type of fruity flavors, florals. So they have two sections there, and it's so many they have, you can really get lost there. And some of them are so new that I never heard them before. But the one that I got here is Immortal Vanilla. So what people say there about this perfume, let me think about it. Nothing. Oh yeah, they do say something. So they say it's a great ciliage, It's a good and cozy, they say. Not much there. People like it, basically. People like it. It's nice and cozy, that's what it is. Cozy. I wonder how it's gonna be like to wear it in winter. It is cozy perfume, I wouldn't repurchase it like again, this perfume, but like it is cozy perfume, that type of thing. And let's have a look at those other ones that I have here, guys. Let's open this. Have you seen this, guys? It's Hypnotic Vanilla. It's from this package that I bought. I bought this package of Hypnotic Vanilla because it had like hair mist, which is this one, which I was very curious about, this hair mist, guys. And that's the reason I bought it, and I already used it. So my how to say, my first impressions of this perfume was that at first it felt like this would be perfume that would look maybe would smell like a solid, like a solid perfume, like maybe leaning towards luxurious type of perfume side. But I ended up, I don't know, maybe it was a hot day or something. I ended up kind of a bit not feeling as great as I thought, Maybe, I'm not sure. Let me spray this perfume. This is a hair mist, okay? As you spray this hair mist of Hypnotic Vanilla, it leaves this type of oily residue. I can spray it on my hair. This is, guys, first hair mist that I have. Do you have any other hair mist that you use, and which one you like? I know that Chanel does, isn't it? Some sort of, but this one is the first one that I have. So when I was using it, like, let me remember it. I ended up like kind of being a bit, didn't felt as great as I thought it would, you know. Hypnotic Vanilla. It ended up kind of being as if like too much, you know, as if I sprayed too much or something. It's hard to describe, guys. Now I'm still smelling that vanilla, Immortal vanilla, so that's good. This one smells good. Hair mist, kind of very faint, you know. I don't know. I didn't experience major effect from this hair mist that first time, you know. This one is Hypnotic Vanilla. I wonder if I could find those notes. It's not written here, isn't it? Hypnotic Vanilla. Hypnotic Vanilla. Let me find it for you guys. Hypnotic Vanilla by Zara, isn't it? Yeah. So basically, so it's a feminine, they say, like, you know, feminine, floral, fruity. Those notes is apricot. Apricot is a captivating, sweet, and long-lasting. Intensity medium. Nothing major, you know, I would say. Probably this would be perfume like to maybe, you know, to change sometimes, like not to use the same perfume. Let me just spray it. Would it be too much? Let me just spray it. Today my perfume was actually Eccentric Molecules, like, you know, number 1, that perfume. So that one was giving me, still keeps getting me compliments, but those other perfumes is not, you know. That's the thing. So buy expensive perfume and you will get compliment, and buy cheaper one and it will not guarantee, you know, if you're gonna get compliments. Maybe you will, maybe you will not. So Immortal Vanilla and Hypnotic Vanilla. Immortal Vanilla keeps getting cozy, and Hypnotic Vanilla, it's kind of has this type of undertone there that not as cozy. It's kind of metallic, you know, a metallic type of undertone there, that there is some sort of similarity there, but like, I don't know, guys, maybe this one is by a little bit better in some kind of way. And that hair mist, from my first impressions there, didn't kind of surprise me enough as I thought it would, you know. But anyway, so these are the things. And from my previous purchases, I had Moonlight Whisper as well, which actually I like it. I was wearing it yesterday, and sometimes when I don't know what to wear, I keep spraying this perfume. Moonlight Whisper is a dupe for some kind of Kayali perfume with pistachio note. This one has pistachio note, cardamom, and cardamom, and what is there? Pink sugar. This perfume, I like it. I have never got compliments, you know, with this perfume yet, and I can't understand why. Do you have this, guys? Do you have the Kayali perfume? Do you have it? Or do you have this one? Which one you have? I like this perfume. From those Zara perfumes, this is the one that I kind of like it, you know. Not majorly. Let me tell you guys, from Zara perfumes, I like Apple Juice very much, because Apple Juice you can spray anytime. On any moment, you will feel kind of refreshed with that perfume, you know. Apple Juice, I don't like Red Temptation because I'm just kind of not into it, but Moonlight Whisper is one of those perfumes that is actually smells good, not luxurious, you know. It doesn't smell luxurious. I'm not sure, guys, about Hypnotic Vanilla. I would like to say I would require to have some more experience, maybe to layer it with something, or like to layer it maybe, or to do something else. I don't know what, but Hypnotic Vanilla has a little bit of, now I don't know, but would that be some sort of little bit like something from Red Temptation, but not majorly. But there's a lot of vanilla. Maybe Red Temptation has vanilla or something there inside. And then there is this perfume is Eternal Devotion. So the package looks very similar to Moonlight Whisper, but it's not. This perfume has blackcurrant, rose, turkey, and ambroxan. This perfume has this type of acidity that comes from blackcurrant. It wasn't my favorite, you know. It was not. It's definitely Moonlight Whisper is better. It wasn't. I don't spray it a lot, but I could hit. You know, I could spray this perfume like anytime I want. But that acidity is not my favorite. You know, but this perfume is still like not too bad, but not the greatest one. I would like to say. It was not very sweet. This perfume is more like acidic, rosy type of black currant, so the type of acidity. You know. Like as if you would be drinking some kind of blackcurrant, like rosy type of acidic drink that would be lacking sweetness, or like let's say, you know, acidic wine that would be lacking sweetness, but still is nice. There's some sort of little bit freshness that is coming from there, you know. So and let's say from the past, I don't know if you remember this Twilight movie. That's from the past. Probably it still exists, the Twilight movie there. I don't know, these days they keep changing everything, but it's nice. This perfume refreshing, but not the greatest one. I wouldn't repurchase it again. It's very like that, you know, like watermelon vibe probably pokes through there. Let me spray. Oh, watermelon, nice watermelon, but still very girly, you know, and not the greatest one. Apple juice is still better, you know. Apple juice. Whew, a lot of perfumes I have. Basically, apple juice and Moonlight Whisper is good. And this one is under question. Could you guys talk about this perfume, please, so that we will figure it out? Did you got any compliments about this vanilla? Which there are so many vanillas. This one is Immortal vanilla. It kept being cozy on me. Let's see, guys. I will keep wearing it, you know, in the winter time, and you guys figure it out there, like your experience, and you can tell us here as well, like, did you had a good experience with them? Which perfume that you were wearing, you were experiencing the best things, you know? Let us know, and I will be back to you soon. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.